Geneva the pangthokpa United Nations Human Rights Council gi yankhaiga mari suba session da IPSA gi Vice President Khuraijam Athouba na Manipur da thokliba Irang Asigi Marik Chumba Paodam Thamkhre. United Nations Human Rights Council gi yankhaiga mari suba session da Khuraijam Athouba na mahaki warol thamladuna hai India gi Northeast region asi cultural diversity chauna leiba amasung regional conflict kaya thokpa da natana chaukhatpa gi thak yaujiba amadi lambi thong matik chana leitiba region amani haujiki oina mityeng changba gi mathau yamna Taribana, India amasung Myanmar ani gi lona ba mafam singda anoba golden triangle ama saphonglakliba asini lona yadaba mongda mafam sing asida paktakna na umang kokthokuna popi tharakpa amadi drug la lonbagi changka hena wangkhalakpa asina lamdam asigi regional stability da chawna singnarakpada natana lamdam asigi naharol kya da achoba chaitheng ama piri maramaduna hiramasigi matang da local national amasung international gi level da medium changduna narco terrorism asi lakshin bagal loinana masina pirakliba safu sing asidagi kannaba hotna bagi tangai fadaba leire hainam hakna phongdoki amaromda Manipur gi Irang Asigi matangda makhatana miyam sinba thungna khanganaba Khuraijam Athouba United Nations ki campus da sathariba session asida saruk yakhigani IPSA da yauriba CSO nipana su Khuraijam Athouba ga itatatana pau phaunaduna mahakna United Nations ki session pangthoklingai asida paikhat payaba thabak sing paikhat hauna bkhotna di haina su IPSA gi president Birjit Taurangbam na thadorpa chirolamana phongdorakli
real facts and the truth that we need to address what's happening in Manipur. And I've been listening to all the panel members who have been narrating the stories. And I won't narrate on rhetorics. I will come out with facts and figures and digitally proved records and data which nobody can't manipulate in any ways. So first of all, when we talk about the Hindu majority issues, we as a Meitei in Manipur is not a majority. For the rest of India, it's a different case. When it comes to northeastern states of India, Meitei is not a majority anymore. We represent hardly around 8.5 lakhs population. And the Christians in Manipur is around 12 lakhs. They comprise of around more than 53-54%.
Sorry,
and Meitei
I don't want to
only
interrupt you, but if you could just be as short as possible. We should have 3 minutes for the room.
No,
So
but
if you could
we need
ask-
to clarify the facts because if
as
you are
fast as
narrating in the
possible.
wrong context, we need to check it out. Or shall we go on with the wrong facts? We continue this debate and discussion. What's your intention then? We need to check it out. Number one, the religious card is never an issue in the Manipur violence because Meitei never targeted Christians. Meitei also has a Christian population of around, which is 45% of what the Kuki populations are. Meitei Christians. And they missed to inform that Meitei churches are being completely vandalized and razed in the Kuki-dominated areas in Churachandpur, right on the first day before the target begin in Imphal.
Okay, sir.
That needs to be acknowledged.
Thank you. Thank you
And
for
here is the
sharing.
sequence of events.
I would be grateful if we can meet after this and take the document and have the conversation.
Sure.
But if you don't have any
Let
more
me-
questions,
let
I
me
would
sum
need
up.
to interrupt you because we have 2 minutes before we need to close this event, and I need to give the final word to this panel. So I need to interrupt you just because we have 1 more minute, the lady from the United Nations, so we have to basically conclude the event.
Yes,
Thank
last part,
Thank you. Thank
last
you for
question.
sharing. No,
Last
we will,
question.
We will meet after the event.
But
and we
allow
will
me,
take the
let the
document.
audience know. Let the audience know.
Yes.
Why are
But
we
because we
completely
need to have
neglecting the issue of
concluding-
narco-terrorism?
We need to have the
The UN
concluding-
Odyssey has already reported Churachandpur has become a hub of new golden triangle.
Okay.
Poppy cultivations has
We need
already.
to have the concluding remarks from the panel and conclude. The
Yeah,
event.
before that we need to know the facts. That's why I'm trying to
Thank you.
intervene.
Thank you, and we would welcome this. It's just that
It's completely one-sided discussion, so I don't want it. It should be neutral.
we are not a one-sided discussion.
Then you should have the
a lot
patience
of
to
the
listen to
facts
me.
were presented thoroughly, and there's a lot that we can provide after this event. Thank you.
Almost
So
19
I
Meitei
would
villages.
I would like now
19
to-
Meitei villages completely 100% evicted, destroyed.